First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connection. Press Run Troubleshooter. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. Press Try these repairs as administrator. Wait for your connection to be repaired. Now your problem should be fixed. Press Close the troubleshooter. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Type SC-delete VGC and then press Enter. Type SC-delete VGLC and then press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart. Now open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Program Files. Delete your Riot Vanguard folder. Right-click your shortcut and select Run as administrator. Press Yes. Wait for Vanguard to be installed. Restart to finish the installation process.